What happens if all the colors go on strike? Our world will be so boring and empty. But why did they go on strike? Let's find out in our today's story, The Day Crayons Quit by Drew Daywalt, and the pictures are by Oliver Jeffers. Let's start reading. One day in class, Duncan went to take out his crayons and found a stack of letters with his name on them. Hey Duncan, it's me, Red Crayon. We need to talk. I work harder than any of your other crayon. All year long, I wear myself out by coloring fire engines and strawberries and an apple and everything that's red. I even work on holidays. I color all the Santas on Christmas. I color all the hearts on Valentine's Day. I need some rest. You overworked friend, Red Crayon. Dear Duncan, alright, listen. I know I'm your favorite color for coloring grapes and dragon and wizard hats, but it makes me crazy when my gorgeous color go outside the line. If you don't start coloring inside the line, I might completely lose it. Your very neat friend, Purple Crayon. Dear Duncan, I'm tired of being called light brown or dark tan because I'm neither. I'm beige and I'm proud. I'm also tired of being second place to Mr. Brown Crayon. It's not fair that he gets to color all the ponies, puppies and bears, while only thing I get to colors are turkey dinners, if I'm lucky. And wheat? Now let's be honest about it. When was the last time you saw any kid excited about coloring wheat? Your beige friend, Beige Crayon. Duncan, grey color here. You're killing me. I know you love elephants and elephants are grey. But that is a lot of space to color all by myself. And don't even get me started on hippos, rhinos and humpback whales. You know how tired I am after handling one of those such big animals? Baby penguins are grey. So are tiny rocks, pebbles. How about coloring one of those once in a while and give me a break? Your very tired friend, Grey Crayon. Dear Duncan, you color with me, but why? Most of the time, I'm the same color as the page you're coloring me on, white. If there wasn't any black outline, you wouldn't know I was there. I'm not even in the rainbow. The only thing I'm used to color is snow and fill in some empty spaces between other things. And it leaves me feeling, well, empty. We need to talk. Your empty friend, White Crayon. Hi Duncan. I hate being used to draw the outline of other things. The things which are colored by other colors, all of which think they are brighter than me. It's not fair that you used me to draw a nice beach ball and then you fill in the colors of the ball by all the other colors. How about a black beach ball sometime? Is that too much to ask? Your friend, Black Crayon. Dear Duncan, as green color, I'm writing you for two reasons. One, that I like my workload of crocodile, trees, dinosaur and frogs and I have no problem. And I want to congratulate you on successful coloring green things career so far. The second reason I write you is for my friends, Yellow Crayon and Orange Crayon, who are no longer speaking to each other. They both feel that they should be the color of the sun. Please settle this soon because they are driving the rest of us crazy. Your happy friend, Green Crayon. Dear Duncan, it's me, Yellow Crayon. I need you to tell Orange Crayon that I am the color of the sun. I would have told him, but we are no longer speaking to each other. I can prove you that I am the color of the sun. Last Tuesday, you used me to color the sun in your Happy Farm coloring book. In case you've forgotten, it's on page number 7. You can't miss me. I'm shining down brilliantly on yellow corns. Your pal and the true color of the sun, yellow crayon. Dear Duncan, I see yellow color has already talked to you. What a big whiner. Anyway, I want you to tell Mr. Telltale that I'm the color of the sun. I would, but we are no longer speaking to each other. We both know I'm clearly the color of the sun because on Thursday you used me to color the sun in both Monkey Island and Meet the Zookeeper pages in your coloring book, The Day at the Zoo. Orange. You glad I'm here, huh? Your pal and the real color of the sun, orange crayon. Dear Duncan, it's been great being your favorite crayon this past year, and a year before that, and the year before that. I've really enjoyed those oceans, lakes, and rivers, rain clouds, raindrops, and clear skies. But the bad news is that now I'm very short and stubby. I can't even look over the railing of the crayon box. I need a break. Your very stubby friend, Blue Crayon. Duncan, listen here, kid. You have not used me once in past year. Is it because you think that I'm a girl's color? Isn't it? Speaking of which, please tell your little sister that I said thank you for using me in her Pretty Princess coloring book, and I think she has done a fabulous job of staying inside the lines. Now back to us. Could you please use me to color occasional pink dinosaur, a cowboy, or a monster? Goodness knows they can use some splash of color. Your unused friend, Pink Crayon. Hey Duncan, it's me, Peach Crayon. Why did you peel off my paper wrapping? Now I'm naked and too embarrassed to leave the crayon box. I don't even have underwear. How would you like to go to school naked? I need some clothes. Please help. Your naked friend, Peach Crayon. Well, poor Duncan just wanted to color. And of course he wanted his crayon to be happy. And that gave him an idea. When Duncan showed his teacher his new picture, she gave him a good work sticker for coloring and a gold star for creativity. How nice of colors to come back and to make Duncan's and our world so colorful. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Bye-bye for now. If you like my stories, please like and subscribe.